Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video, I will show you best plagiarism checker online, absolutely free of cost. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly, you have to copy this link. I will put this link in the video description. From there, you can get this link. Then go to one of your browser and paste this link here. This is actually duplicate checker, which is the best plagiarism checker. So in this interface, we will check the plagiarism. So that's why I have taken some text. We will check this text plagiarism. Copy this text and paste it here. Now we will check the plagiarism. So I will check the plagiarism. So click on plagiarism. Click on I'm not a robot. Click on I am not a robot and click on continue. So it is checking the plagiarism of my text. So you can see this. There are also sources. There are also sources where from I have gotten this text. So there are the sources, and this is 100% plagiarized. Exact match 83% and partial match 70%. So you can see this. The amazing website is really helpful for those who are content writer, educational researcher. Tool is formative for them. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.